दुबई हेल्थ अथॉरिटी एग्ज़ाम में जो फार्मासिस्ट के लिए जो पेपर कंडक्ट किया जाता है उसमें कौन से क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ए मिक्सचर ऑफ 11 different glycopeptide that bind to DNA and used in cancer chemotherapy. Answer is bleomycin. Question number 2, a vitamin deficiency produce absorption in female and degradation in the germinal epicycle in male. Answer is vitamin E. Indicated in unstable angina. Answer is intravenous nitroglycerin. Question number 4, synthetic disaccharide. Answer is lactulose. Question number 5, belladonna alkaloid anticoagulant agent. Answer is scopolamine. Question number 6, tetracycline is dash dash local anesthetic. Answer is ester. Question number 7, fat soluble vitamins. Answer is vitamin A. Question number 8, used for Wilson disease. Answer is penicillamine. Question number 9, anabolic steroid. Answer is estraadiol. Question number 10, atoxipine inhibitor used for ADHD. Answer is norepinephrine. Question number 11, indicated topically in treatment of acne. Answer is azelaic acid. Question number 12, a fat soluble vitamin essential for calcium metabolism in animals and therefore important for normal metabolism of bone and cartilage. Answer is vitamin D. Question number 13, anti-HIV protease inhibitor. Answer is antivener. Question number 14, testosterone. Answer is 5-HT4 receptor agonist. Question number 15, anti-malarial drugs. Answer all of above. Chloroquine, primaquine, paraquinol. Question number 16, a sulfonyl urea, one of metabolized has greater activity than parent compound. Answer is acetoaxamide. Question number 17, hyperosmotic agent used to treatment of glaucoma. Answer is mannitol. Question number 18, bile acid secretrant. Answer is cholestyramine. Question number 19, antidote for parental poisoning. Answer is methimone and acetylcysteine. Question number 20, cytomegalovirus retinitis. Answer is phosphine and sodium. Question number 21, selenium deficiency. Answer is HEART, HEART. Question number 24, abrupt withdrawal effect, withdrawal ERT/HRT. Answer is bone loss. Question number 23, an excess of this mineral that cause anemia. Answer is calcium. Question number 24, block elderly people. Answer calcium. Question number 25, not indicated with long-term therapy. Answer tooth losing. Question number 26, trace element used to treat a lot of problem. Answer is selenium. Question number 27, safe to use for ADHD patient with depression. Answer is alpha agonist. Lycopene. Question number 29 to 30, there were questions on vaccination which regards active and passive immunity. HIV, tetanus. Question number 35, OPV, IPV. Question number 32, not to give when shown positive reaction to specific drugs. Choice are morphine, paroxetine, or all of above. Question number 33, mineral deficiency affect growth. Answer is zinc. Question number 34, melanoenzyme element. Answer is copper. Question number 35, PPI has high drug interactions. Answer is omeprazole. Question number 36, weight loss that risk of diabetic patient परसेंटेज, उसमें परसेंटेज पूछी जाती है। यह कुछ क्वेश्चन है जो DHMA फार्मासिस्ट एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं। इसकी सीरीज़ में ये पार्ट 1 है, पार्ट 2 भी इंशाल्लाह जल्दी अपलोड हो जाएगा। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो आप इसको लाइक करें, दूसरों तक शेयर करें ताकि अवेयरनेस सब तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू।